Hey guys, it's getting super close to 8 o'clock when Beyond the Buy Builders starts. And I want to let you know that today in Beyond the Buy Builders, we'll be working with Star Commissions too, which takes us to learn Funnelmates, which is the platform that Star Commissions is built on. So I call it kind of like ClickBank killer. I mean, not ClickBank. No, it's like an alternative to ClickFunnels. Super, super cool. Just gotta get rid of some like aging tomatoes outside, so I'm gonna put them in my garden box, so maybe they'll grow next year. And then I'll be in the house learning more about Star Commissions and building some funnels, and ready to help you guys too. And I'll reach out to the builders and see if anybody else has built their Star Commissions also and is ready to help others build those too. So if you do have Star Commissions and you want to be a builder, please send me a message or let me know so that we can get you up and running with a Forget About Broke account, aka Clarity.fm, and I can present you as a Star Commissions builder tonight. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Send me a message in the message box below, and I'll put a link to the Beyond the Buy Builders. So since you stayed on this message all along, I'll give you the free pass code to get in at no cost. It's all lowercase, free pass, and that will get you into the Beyond the Buy Builders tonight. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.